looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we would get there someday. And they said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look what we would.
Nicole, today as we celebrate our 10-year wedding anniversary here in Bali, I promise to continue to be your partner through the highs and lows and laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. I promise to continue to be the best father, husband I can, to continue to grow with you and to love you committedly for the rest of our life. Thank you for always inspiring me to be the best self, for creating a life full of adventures and making every moment count. Yes, even the picture. I can't wait to make more memories for the years to come with the woman that I'm very lucky to have.
Matthew, my love, it's been 10 years. I stand here today fully knowing that we've experienced an entire decade of marriage together. Where do I even begin? Today, as we celebrate our 10-year wedding anniversary here in Bali, I promise to continue to love you wholeheartedly, to laugh with you in times of joy, and to comfort you in times of sorrow. I promise to be the best mother that I can be, and a wife that gives life full of energy and happiness. These things I give to you today and all the days of our life. I'm so thankful for a life with you that is indescribable, and I cannot wait to make more memories for the years to come with the man that I am so very lucky to have.
I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come.